In the previous tutorial, we have seen that how to use the loops in the application. So as we have seen that in every step, loop update the values of your variables. So if you want to monitor those values and if you want to check that what are the values after execution of some steps of your code, and what will be the output if that portion of the code has been already executed, so you can debug and you can monitor your code also. So in today's session, I will talk about how to debug and how to monitor your code. So for that, in PyCharm, you need to follow these steps. So step number one is mark the breakpoint. First of all, you will mark the breakpoint. After that, to start the debugging, you need to press the Shift plus F9. So whenever you will press the Shift plus F9, it will start the debugging. And to monitor every step, press F8. So F8 will show you that how your program is performing, means in every step what is the value of variables, what is the value of you are getting through the print and updation. Okay, so just look at the code and steps to debug. So this was the code the last time I have written that how to print and how to generate the table of any number, in which I was asking I was asking to the user that enter the number for which you want to generate the table. And after that, I have written a logic which prints the table of that number. So I need to monitor that what will be the value of n on every step, and what will be the value of I on every step. So for that, what I need to do is, first of all, I need to start the debugging. For that, I'll mark the breakpoint first of all. So just look at here. At the left side of your code script file, you will find the line numbers. So from which line numbers you want to debug, mark the breakpoint. So I need to start from the line number 15. So I'll click on this line number. Just look at here. Okay, so it will mark the debugging breakpoint. After that, you will press the Shift plus F9 on the keyboard. So Shift plus F9. When you press the Shift plus F9, then you will find that at the below side, you will find a window of the debugging has been opened. And here you will find two tabs. One is debugger and second one is console. So console will show you the outputs and debugger will show you the values of every variable on every steps. So first step is it asking the user's input. So execute step by step, you need to press F8. So I'm going to press F8 on my keyboard. F8. Just look at here. On the console, one step means this statement has been executed and it is asking enter the number to generate the table. So for example, I want to generate the table of 5. So I'll enter the 5. Input the 5. Just look at here. Enter the 5 and press the enter. Now you can see that n is equal 5 here is showing. So it is debugging. So that's why it's showing that n is now 5. This value you can see on the debug tab also. Just look at here, debug. And here you will find that one variable has been created with the value of 5, that is n. After that, it moves to the next step and again press F8. Now you can see, just come to this point. Then now you can see that I is equal 1. So now i's value is 1. And here you are, I'm writing that the condition, if I is less than equal to 10. So i's value is 1. So this condition is true. So it will enter the while's block. Now press F8. So you can see that one more variable has been created with the value of 1, n is equal to 5. And onto the console, you will see that now you are at the line print. So if I press F8 again, so now it will print the output. As you can see, n value is 5. This asterisk will print as it is. I value is 1. And now it will print multiplication of n into I. So you can see that 5 into 1 is equal to 5. Now I is equal to I plus 1 will execute. Now monitor this one. So I'll press F8 one more time. Here you can see that I has been updated. So now i's value is 2. Or if you want to see that I value, you can go into the debugger also. Here you can find that I value has been updated, that is 2. Here one more condition I have written, that if I is equal to 11, then execute the break statement. So now I value is 2, 2 is equal to 11, condition is false, so it will skip this statement and it will again go on to the while's test condition. Press F8. So I is equal to 2. Now it will check the condition. 2 is less than equal to 10. Yes, condition is true. Again, it will enter and it will go and print this one. Just go to the console and you can see that 5 into 2 is equal to 10. Now this code has been reached at this line, and if I press F8, then you can see that i's value has been updated. So as you can see, on every step we can monitor the values and the output through the debugging. So again, I'll press F8. As you can see, again it will print 5 into 3 is equal to 15. Just look at the output window, and again I is equal to I plus 1, so it will update the i's value. That is i's value, now it has been showing that it is 4. Now again F8, and now I'll press F8 at least to reach 9. Now you can see now I is 9. So I is 9. As you can see, the table of 5 is printing. 9 is less than equal to 10. Yes, condition is true. Again, it will enter into the block. It will print. And again, i's values now become 10. So 10 is equal to 11. No, condition false. It will go and check again. And it will print the value of 5 into 10. Just look at here. 5 into 10. Now i's value is 11. Now 11, then it will check the condition. 11 is equal to 11. Yes, condition is true. Now break will execute. And as the break statement execute, your while loops execution will be stop, and else part will not execute, as I have already told you in the previous tutorial. So press F8 one more time. Break, yes, just look at this. Your process has been finished with the exit code 0. So this is the way that you can debug your code into the PyCharm. So whatever the IDE you are using, debugging is available in every IDE. So I hope the debugging is clear now. Now you can monitor and see the outputs. So if you have learned something, if you have enjoyed this video, so please like, comment and share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. There are so many videos that is on the way that will be covered in the next few days. So don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notification of the latest videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.